Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset the maintenance light on a Toyota Tundra. Begin by turning the key to the on position without starting the engine, then press the trip or odometer button to display the maintenance menu. Hold the button while cycling the key to reset the reminder light. Release the button when the light blinks or turns off, then start the engine to confirm the indicator stays off and normal operation resumes. If the maintenance light does not respond to the basic reset, try the sequence again with steady pressure on the trip button. Confirm you reached the correct menu and cycled the key through the OFF, on, and start positions as instructed. If the light persists, there may be a sensor or computer issue. In that case, a quick diagnostic at a shop can reveal stored codes and fix the underlying cause safely and efficiently. To minimize maintenance alerts, follow a consistent service schedule and use recommended parts and fluids. Keep a simple log of dates and mileage so you know when oil and filters were changed. Proper upkeep reduces false alerts and extends engine life. When servicing, ensure the technician resets the maintenance light correctly so your vehicle reflects accurate service intervals. Small preventive steps prevent bigger issues and give you peace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.